Maya! Mama! Look at those whiskers. Look at those whiskers. Hey guys, I'm Abigail.
And I'm Brandon, and today we're going to be taking you guys along with us on our first day of summer break.
And we're also going to be bringing along with us our little Pomeranian, Maya.
And you can't see her right now, but she's actually sleeping, but you'll see her throughout the rest of the video. Alright, hope you guys enjoy.
So to start our day off, we're going to be heading to Starbucks. I'm going to be getting a caramel macchiato.
With an extra shot, right, Bibits?
Yes.
And I'll be getting a caramel frappuccino.
Okay.
And then can I have an iced macchiato with an extra shot?
What size?
We'll get that tall.
Tall iced macchiato with an extra shot.
Yep.
Alrighty, anything else for you today?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
10 even.
Thank you. $10 even. Hello.
10 even.
Thank you.
Do you need a receipt?
No, we'll be fine.
Alright.
Thank you.
Maya,
you want some coffee? Sure.
Maya! Oh, this is Maya.
Put it higher.
Maya. She's awake now.
Oh, Maya, you want some coffee?
So we just got our coffee and we're on our way to Lost Lake, which is about a 30-minute drive.
And originally we were gonna go to Hume Lake, which is about a 2-hour drive, but we checked the weather and it was pretty rainy there and cold. So we're just gonna go to Lost Lake, somewhere closer to us. Alright guys, so before heading to Lost Lake, we stopped at the San Joaquin Fish Hatchery. It's usually our stop before we go to Lost Lake.
And it's also Maya's first time here.
Yep, look at little Maya. Good girl.
And we're just walking the little trail before we head. Small fry trout.
Here we have it. Sifat lizard. Sifat lizard is attracting a mate.
Babe, look! Maya's twin! Oh! Your twin! Look at your brother!
Maya!
Oh, yeah.
Take Maya through there.
Take Maya from here.
Go ahead. Maya, come on. She came. Now can you go through it? You're gonna take her down there? No. Hey, let me go down there. Alright, go.
Kid. She needs to go down the slide with us.
Good girl, Maya. Alright guys, we're entering the hatchery building. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a whole bunch of fish in there. What are you looking at? Oh, damn. It's inside a trout. Look at all these baby trouts. There's thousands. We got more over here. They look like little rainbow trouts. What is Abigail doing?
Maya's pooping, she looks like that.
She does.
There you go, that's Maya. There you go.
Alright guys, so right now we're at the part where we feed the fish. And right now Abba is getting fish food, as you can see.
It's free now.
Yep, and I don't know why, but now the food is free. So I guess we get to feed the fish as much as we want. Just as long as we turn this handle.
It takes forever.
Yeah. Alright babes, let's go feed the... Let's go this way. Yeah.
All the fish are gonna start jumping.
Over here. It's gonna be crazy. Alright guys, so we just arrived at Lost Lake. We're taking things down right now and we're feeling a little hungry, so we'll update you from there. Abigail is getting our food ready. What do we have, Bibets?
Fruit, sandwich, chips, hummus, pita chips.
Take everything out.
Kind of healthy. So this is all we're gonna use to put the sandwich, fruit salad.
Ooh, fruit. I love fruit.
Because you love fruit.
Uh-huh.
Avocado.
Avocados for what?
Huh?
For sandwiches.
The sandwiches in a sandwich without avocado. And then mustard, mayo, ham.
Uh-huh.
And then we also just got little snacks here.
So Abigail just got done making our sandwiches, and the sandwiches she makes are bomb. But yeah, we have sandwiches and fruit, and we also have hot Cheetos to go with the sandwiches.
And also some hummus and pita chips.
Yep. Thank you, Bibets.
You're welcome. Let's eat. Wow, look at how nice and sunny it is out. Very nice day. And there's these two geese right here. And then Babe's over here flying the drone, focusing.
Okay, guys.
Getting some drone shots, which we'll insert right now. Thanks, babe, for carrying everything.
You're welcome.
So we finished eating, we got settled down, and Brandon blew up the raft. But
unfortunately, the camera died, so we're going to be using the iPhone to record the rest of our video.
so we're about to get on the raft.
Yeah, right here looks like a good spot. You're going to get on it first, so I'm
No!
going to record you getting on it.
Don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh.
Maya, come on.
Come on, Maya, let's go.
Maya, come on.
Maya's over there sniffing stuff.
Oh my god. Sniffing stuff like always.
Okay.
Hey, let me go get her fast.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so Brandon just got Maya. Oh, Maya's not ready for this. I think she was sniffing stuff on purpose. To not.
All right, you gotta go in first, and then I'll drag you guys in.
Okay, perfect.
Right, here.
Okay.
You ready?
Should I take my shoes? I should have brought sandals.
Nah. Yeah, you should have, but it's fine.
Next time, we
Yeah.
always forget something. And it's usually
Yeah.
always the sandals. Okay, I'll come in the front.
Yep.
Look,
Please.
look, you guys, I got a little fan to fan my baby girl. Look.
All right, wait for me.
Give me the paddle.
Yeah. Paddles.
Look at Maya. Record Maya. Ooh, Maya.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah. And we're gonna try not to get any water in here.
Hopefully.
Hold still.
Huh?
Hold still.
Okay, I'm still.
All right, guys. We'll record when we're on.
So we got on, And Brandon is paddling because I have to hold Maya, of course.
Yeah, because she keeps jumping off.
Yes.
Well, trying to jump off.
Yeah, she's trying to jump off. She loves the water, I guess, which I don't know why. It's a shocker. She hates water. She just wants to swim, I guess. It's hot. Well, it's not too hot. It's actually good weather.
Yeah, it feels good on my butt. Because the water's super cold.
Yeah.
Look at Maya. She's so cute.
And there's Maya. I'm holding her by her harness. Thank you, babe, for pedaling us.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Once you get tired, we have to trade.
It's nice out, huh?
Yes, it's very nice out. Perfect weather.
Yeah.
It's not too hot or not too cool. Perfect weather. So as you can see, Maya's having a great time. She's literally have tried to jump off twice. So this is why I'm holding her like this, because we thought we didn't need the leash. Since she is scared of water, apparently not anymore.
Maya, good girl.
Shout out to babe for paddling us away. You having fun, Maya?
Looks like a little swamp right here.
Alright guys, so it looks like Maya has settled down. She's not trying to jump out and be all over the place, so now she's with Brandon. And I'm gonna help him paddle a little bit, even though I'm not as good. Sorry, babe.
Look, something's in there. Something's in there. Look. Show them the camera. Show the camera. Look, something's in there.
Something's moving.
It's just shaking the freaking...
Maybe a fish, huh? Or maybe could it be a frog? Oh, look, it was baby ducks that were in there. Look at them. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, look at them go. Oh, the mother's there now. They're going to the mother. They were probably hiding. And then now that the mother came out.
Hiding from us.
Yeah. Now that the mother came out, they're like, okay, let's go with mom. She'll protect us. How cute. So guys, while I was trying to pull Brandon up.
She got me freaking all wet because she pulled the boat up way too much. Look at this. You can't see it?
I probably
You
not.
probably need to go right there to get the... Oh, I need to go over there. Look at... My shirt's all wet. My freaking underwear.
I'm sorry,
Everything.
babe. It was funny, because he was trying to say... It's because he was trying to say that I was strong, and then while he said that...
And then I hyped her up, and then she pulled me almost all the way up, and I almost fell backwards.
And then that's how he got wet. I'm so sorry.
Let's go put this in the car and let's go diving.
Okay, well, you're gonna go diving.
Yeah, I'm gonna go diving.
I'm gonna be with Maya. Come on, Maya. Oh. Come on, Maya.
Oh my god, that's kind of refreshing though.
Come on, Maya. Let's go.
Yeah,
So me and Maya are just chilling here while we're waiting for Brandon. He's gonna go ahead and go dive right now. And me and Maya are just gonna stay here and relax. I'm just gonna watch him, make sure nothing goes wrong. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to jump in there. Just kidding. I could swim. I don't know if I could save him though, but I'll try.
it's pretty heavy.
Huh? I'm pretty
You're
strong.
I'm pretty heavy.
Yeah, but you always imply I'm heavy too. Maya could go save you, huh, Maya? Oh, babe's already in his wetsuit. But he says it's cold. It's really cold?
Yeah. I don't want to put my head under.
Oh.
Maya.
Is this gonna be a success or not?
Yeah.
You just have to get used to it. But, okay, be safe.
Thank you.
He's getting his gear ready. There he goes. It's probably really cold. Look at Maya. She's just chilling. You tired, Maya? Take a nappy. Go take a nap. There's a lot of kids here. I remember when I was young, I actually would always be swimming here. I actually lost a sandal right over there. We were going in and it was really shallow, so but then we started hitting the current and I accidentally saw, I don't know, like slipped a little, and then my white sandal got lost, so I only had one left, and I tried finding it, but it was not a success. Huh, Maya? I didn't have Maya back then. Alright, so Brandon just finished diving and unfortunately there was no luck. Mainly because he just was there for probably like about 20 minutes?
Yeah,
20?
But like
Yeah,
the water was so cold, like I've been getting a brain freeze.
Yeah, he says the water's too cold. He's gonna come back. We're gonna come back and try it again. Well, for a different type of video, for his channel.
So we just left Lost Lake and we're super drained and tired.
But we're hungry, so we're gonna get some In-N-Out.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
We got our little mats. What are these called?
Oh no, different the trays.
I forgot what they called them. Yeah, but they call them I forgot what the girl asked.
Like tray liners, I guess?
I don't know.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah, they're both lettuce wrapped. Alright, thank you. Alright guys, that concludes our first video on our channel.
I hope you guys enjoyed. And until next time, bye.
Peace.
I'm a proud mother. Oh yeah, first fish.
Right here.